Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Monko token. Name of the token is Monko, ticker symbol is also Monko. Now this is a very popular token today, trending #1 on DEX Screener in the Algorand section. This is an Algo meme coin. And it was just announced that Monko will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting soon. We're going to go over the information on the Monko token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. This token here has 5,243 Twitter followers. It says, Monko is Monko. Buy Algo, be Monko. And they have here a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. If you click on show more, it's going to give you the contract address for the token there. If you're looking for it, real easy spot to find it. You can also find it in their link tree right there on the Twitter. In that link tree, they basically have the Telegram verification Telegram there. They also have the Telegram linked in their most recent tweets there. Twitter and DEX Screener chart, and they also have a link to vestige.fi where you can find the token as well. So their Telegram only has 38 subscribers. It says verify Monko. You could join the channel. That is going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project, new announcements, token listings, all that type of stuff, and same with their Twitter here. And it was just announced on Bitmart's Twitter, which is at Bitmart Exchange. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list the Monko token at real_Monko, which is the Twitter. They will list the real Monko token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So one way to get this token here, if you wanted to get it off a central exchange, is you can get it off of Bitmart. Now it doesn't give an exact time and date yet, but if you follow this Twitter right here, Monko's Twitter, at real_Monko or at Bitmart Exchange, they will announce soon when the Bitmart listing will be. So you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then when the token gets listed, you go into the trade section and search MONKO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says Telegram back. And that was just from 32 minutes ago. They posted that in their pinned tweet. And it says, we discovered the issue was a specific sticker I was uploading to the Telegram. So I guess there was a Telegram issue. It says Telegram is back up and running and they fixed it. And then their other most recent tweets are memes and talking about their new Bitmart listing and how well the chart is doing, because this token is trending #1 right now on DEX Screener. You can also see the chart on Vestige. That's what I was talking about in the pinned tweet there. They have a link to that there. And you can connect the wallet. You can connect an Algorand wallet to that page as well. And you could trade and swap using your Algo on there. So you could download an Algo wallet. You'd fund it with Algo. And then just click on the vestige.fi link in the link tree. And this is a way to get the token before it gets listed on Bitmart if you're interested in doing that. You can get it off Vestige there. Also, it's on Tinyman. So if you go to Dex, the Dex Screener link, which is also in the link tree there, they have a pool on Tinyman. It says $303,000 liquidity pool on Tinyman. So that's another Dex where you could get the token. And yeah, so there's many different ways to get it. That's 3 ways to get it right there. And they also have their Explorer here. You can find their Explorer on the vestige.fi link there. Their Algo Explorer. Now this token has a market cap right now of $2.2 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $306,000. Very popular token today. They've had 3,635 transactions. Now, Algorand, you know, it isn't the most popular blockchain, but I mean, it's been around a while. Charles Hoskinson's, I heard in an interview talking about how Algorand is underrated. So some people think highly of it, but it's just not very popular. So, you know, keep that in mind. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $306,000, and they're up 24.52% today in the past 24 hours. Now, this token pair was created 25 days, 15 hours ago on Tinyman. So that's when this liquidity pool was made. Now, they don't have a legitimate web page on the link tree there. There's no web page, and when you go to Dex Screener, it just says Twitter and Telegram links. So no actual full web page or anything like that. Their liquidity pool in Tinyman has 352,411 pooled Algo, which is equivalent to 65.99 billion pooled Monko tokens. And there's a tagline here on Dex Screener, I should say. It just says, Monko on Algo, be Monko. So there's another very, very popular monkey related token I posted today. First video of today I uploaded was MONKY. So almost the same name. Instead of an O at the end, there's a Y. And that token is a brand new meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. It got listed all over the place today. And it has like 130,000 holders already. Just a super popular monkey Binance Smart Chain meme coin. So definitely check out that video today. But let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Monko? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.